Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, we have a special collaboration. It's called Cozy Corner or Vignette. Now this collaboration is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor and tablescapes by Candy. Now we do have some co-hosts, and so let me go ahead and mention them. We have Design with Emma, we have Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Pretty DIYs, Z9 Design, and Sasu Glam Style. And make sure and use the hashtag Cozy23 to be added to the playlist. Now I decided to go ahead and warm up this little corner here in the kitchen, and very simply I'm just going to go ahead and use this beautiful tray that I got at Target's Dollar Spot. Absolutely wonderful and cute. And also I got that the candy corn machine. I can never get too much of that machine. So we're going to go ahead and cozy this up. I'm going to play some music and I'll see you guys at the end. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Also, did you know that when you full watch a video, when you like the video, and even share the video, this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, now we lit the candle. I think it's time to head on over to the reveal, guys. What do you think? Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for joining in the collaboration, along with all of the people who joined in, all the participants. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and God bless you.